All right, so the first thing we're going to take a look at today is solving proportions. And it's going to be a quick review because we did this back in chapters 4 and 5. So when we have a proportion that's two fractions that are equal to each other, we use the process called, hopefully everyone said, cross multiplication, because that's what we're going to use. I'm going to let you know that you should be taking notes on these, so you should write this problem down and do this problem because I'm going to ask that you turn your notes in when we're done. So when we use cross multiplication, I'm using the app because I can write in it. We're going to multiply the numbers that are across from each other. So 12 times 24, and that's going to be equal to 8 times t. And we also know how to solve equations now compared to the last time we did these, so these should be much easier. 12 times 24 is 288, and that equals 8t. And 8t means 8 times t. So the opposite of multiplying by 8 would be to divide by 8. So 288 divided by 8 will give me t. And t then equals 36. So we're going to go ahead and answer this. Okay, let's see. This one should go a little bit faster. We're going to do 21 times 4, and that's going to be equal to 14 times k. 21 times 4 is 84. And that equals 14k. What am I going to divide by? Hopefully everyone said 14. 84 divided by 14 gives me k is equal to 6. Oh, this one looks pretty easy. 1 times 16 is 16, and that would be equal to 4 times p. So what's everyone saying? 16 divided by 4 is 4. So they don't really get too much harder than this. 15 times 4 is 60. So 60 equals 6v. So 60 divided by 6 is 10. Again, we're going to cross multiply. This one has bigger numbers. It doesn't mean it's harder. 16 times 18, and that's going to be equal to 48 times a. 16 times 18 is 288. What are we going to divide by? 48. So we get 6. I feel like we had that one already. Ten times 18 is 180, and then that would be equal to 12 times q. So 180 divided by 12, hopefully that's what you said, is 15. So I'm going to go up here. We did 6 questions together. You should have 6 questions and 6 answers written down. So far, I want you to go ahead and solve this one right now on your paper. Go ahead and hit pause. Hopefully you got 10. Last one. I'm not going to do this one for you. Go ahead and write the problem down and get the answer, and I'll be looking for it when you turn your notes in. So once you're done taking notes, you're just going to take a picture and upload it to the assignment.